Hello, my name is Michael Peschel. I am the head of the Research and Development Department of Wende. Wende is a German SME specialized in welding technology. Our customers are, for example, in the automotive industry or in the general industry, everywhere where metal sheets have to be welded together. Those industries often do have quite old machines, however, they are very reliable. At the moment, however, they're at a turning point. So there are new features that are urgently required, all the things which are subsumized under the domain of the IoT services, for example, data storage, data communication, and data analysis. So there is either the option to buy a new machine, which is quite cost intensive, or on the other hand, the option to upgrade existing machines. And exactly for that, for upgrading existing machines, we do have now implemented a new solution. This is a toolkit where we have a combinations of sensors and intelligence that can easily be tailored to a specific use case, to a specific customer, or to a specific process. So it's not that it's only specific for our domain, for welding, but it's a general toolbox which can apply to very different industries. So it basically provides the following outputs. With this toolbox, with the sensors included with the intelligence, it's quite easy to understand the performance of the machine, and so that customer complaints could easily be responded and solved. It brings an added value to customers, providing feedback for better performance and predictive maintenance. And finally, it allows for the diagnosis of a machine prior to a cost-effective refurbishment process and to a cost-effective maintenance activities. So with this toolbox, we are now able to upgrade our old machines in our factories for the new features. It's working very properly, it's very reliable, and the adoption of the existing machine is very easy. By this, we are now able to meet our customers' needs in the IoT domain, but it also increases their production efficiency and lowers the costs per part. The toolkit also serves as a basis for the implementation of new business models, for example, pay-per-use or similar advanced business models. For the moment, we are addressing two market segments: the Tier 1 suppliers, mainly in Europe or in the Asia Pacific, but also the OEM manufacturers, again in Europe and in Asia. It has a very high potential to be adapted to other processes and other products. Thanks a lot for your attention.